How to make automatic egg farm in Minecraft. So first, just get your chest, put it right there. Just put it right here, facing this direction. Now get your hopper, click shift on your keyboard and place it behind this chest. Now get a glass block and put it here at the top of the chest. Click on shift and place it right there and make it just go up right there. Should be looking like that. Now get any block and put it around these hoppers and put the glass block again. So put 2 blocks. So it's up to you how high you want it to be. Now I'm just going to remove this since it's not needed. Now just simply find chickens and place them right here on the space right here. So it's up to you how you will get them right there. So you could basically push them up. So you could make like a staircase kind of look and just simply push them till they basically go here to the bottom. Now once you have chickens trapped, you can now breed them using seeds. So right click on them and just breed them using seeds and just wait for them to lay their eggs, and you could check the chest if they have laid their eggs already. So just wait for them to lay their eggs. So after waiting for some time, you can now check the chest if there are some eggs. So as you can see, there are now eggs. So that's how you basically make an automatic egg farm in Minecraft.